guys, welcome back to the channel. And before I start, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell on, and then you'll get notified every time I post a new video. And today, as you saw my last video, which I did like a few hours ago, I think, I told you that I was gonna do like a new video. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm going to be doing it right now, and I want my squash. And maybe some of you guys don't know how to make squash, so I'm gonna help you guys how to make it. So let's start. First, I'm gonna get the cupboard out and let's find this thing. Or maybe we don't have it. Do we have it? No. Okay, anyways, if we don't have squash, what should I make? Maybe I'll get a glass of water. Hang on. Alright, I think that's enough. Asthma. Sorry about that back country. It's my mum. Okay. Hi, T-Bug. Okay. Now, for my breakfast, I normally have pear, that's a squished banana now. A banana unana, and let me open. Wait, no, not this one. It's too big. Hang on, guys. Ew, that's moldy. Mommy! Hang on, guys. Ew! That's more. Ew. Mommy! I'm trying to eat an orange and it's moldy.
Oh, broken.
Does that mean all of them are?
No, that's one.
That's disgusting. No! I don't want orange. Alright, so I'm not gonna have orange. She will away orange. Ew. Okay, no more oranges for me. I'm never eating an orange in my life. Like, okay, anyways. Let me get the plate. Okay, I'll just have this one. And chop mine. Guys, I'm just gonna get a knife. Be careful with the knives, and yeah, wash your hands before you do this. Peel. I normally eat it. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna cut that bit off. Please, I don't want any of the other banana. Okay, so it's just that end bit. Good. Okay, so I'm gonna have half a banana. Cut and on there. Ew. Okay, yeah, whatever. Now I'm gonna cut my banana. You guys are not able to see properly. Okay, that's annoying. I'll put it right there. No! Oh my god. Okay, what if I move that? Guys, my brother's coming. And then I need this with the stay. Okay, there we go, guys. Okay, I'm gonna cut my banana. Oh yeah, careful with knives, just saying once again. It looks weird. Boom. Oh yeah guys, I'm just saying I have cut banana before, but if you're like 1 or 2 years old, please do not try this, even though you're watching my videos. So, yeah, now, hair time. I don't know how I'm gonna cut the hair, but I'm gonna need my mom's help for this. So, let me just put my I'm gonna wash the hair just in case too. Don't wanna be weird. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna pick it up. Ew. Alright guys, listen to me. She can help me cut with this. Alright, so she's gonna need a big knife to cut. Yeah, that's not gonna work. She needs it to do yellow. Okay, I'll. Let's try doing this first. I don't know how to use this. Guys, I'm gonna need a towel. Right, I lost the powder. Oh, guys. This video is gonna be really, really long. Then it's gonna be like a full video. Mommy, can you cut the skin of the hair, please? I want to stay healthy. Okay? My mom's beautiful. Obviously, I love her hair. So sweet. She washes it every single day. Okay. You got heating, warm heating. It's so warm. Whenever we're cold, you just gonna say, oh my god. I don't know why I'm like this. Okay, I'm getting hot now. Okay, so this is my brother. I want to zoom in here. I'm zooming in his iPad. Okay, whatever. Ew, look at the feet. Ew. Zooming in your face. I'm zooming in your face. Okay, whatever. Thank you, Mama. Okay, that looks delicious. She's the best. Alright, now I'm gonna start eating. You guys are gonna watch me eat. I know it's pretty disgusting, but you can skip this bit if you want. Because you can. Let me just put this light on. There we go. Okay. Light off, on. Alright. Maybe we'll put this one on too, because it's really dark. No, I turned it back around, please. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is the annoying bit. There we go. Yummy. Now I'm gonna get on. Yes, I cannot so 3, 2, let's go. So guys, this is gonna be the outro now. Just saying once again, make sure you subscribe with the notification bell on, and then you'll get notified every time I post a video. And I already know that I said that all. Just saying, so I remind you guys. Ooh, okay, so bye, and make sure to follow Lucy I think it's normal, but is there an N? So yeah, you'll see like a girl who's like, yeah, she's a girl. She has like braids. Yeah, comment down below if you find her. She's always in her school outfit. She's in my class. So bye. Have a nice day or afternoon or evening. Say bye.